adding 9 to a number. That's our learning target for today. 5K, one more time. Say, I will add 9 to a number. Say, I got this. Put that down. My sweets, you're going to write what I write. You can take the caps off your marker. All right, my loves, I would like you to write 9 plus 4 equals. Right, 9 plus 4 equals. When you're done, your marker gets parked. We're not going to be doing the wrap up today, my sweet. We're going to do this instead. Take the cap off your marker. Caleb, that looks great. Ooh, DeAndre, your 9 and your 4 are right on top of each other. Bridget, don't forget your plus and your equals. Thanks for parking your marker, though. Jaden, that looks great. Yep, park your marker. Good, Kylan. If you leave it down, sweetie, I can see it at your spot. That looks great. Thanks for parking your marker. Jair, honey, you need to fix your line. You have your line here, honey. I need someone. Hey, you look great. Thumbs up, markers parked. I need someone to tell me, what are we going to do? We've practiced this for 2 days now. This is day number 3, adding 9 to a number. What are we going to do? This is why I said it's going to be easy peasy, get outside right away. What should I do? Caleb, what are we going to do? Circle that plus. He's got it. 5K, circle that plus. What do we do next, Caleb? What number are we starting at? He said go to 9, and look at, he's touching his name tag. My loves, park your markers. And do what Caleb said. He said touch number 9. 5K, touch number 9. Caleb, how many more are we hopping? How many more are we hopping, babe? All right, everybody's touching number 9. Mr. Porter's watching. Everybody's fingers on 9. Bridget, touch number 9 for me, babe. Hop 4 more with me, Jair. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number are you at? 13. My loves, please write 13 underneath. Please cap your marker or park your marker. Prince, thanks for the thumbs up. Boys and girls, say, I added 9 to a number. You added 9 to the number 4. My sweets, very quietly, erase in 5. Erase in 4. Use your socks, please. Erase in 3. Erase in 2. And 1. Tamia, can you turn your whiteboard over to the other side, babe? There you go. That'll be a better side. You can erase that. My sweets, you can write this right away. Oh, I see children are getting their little candies from Mr. Porter. 9 plus 7. You're adding 9 to the number 7 for a learning target. Woo, you are quick. Then just park your marker when you're done. Samir, that looks great. Just park your marker. Jaden's got it. Jordan, I need you to write this, babe. Good, Prince. Good, Zaya. Good girl. Good, London. All right, what are we going to do first? Oh, Ryan, you even have your hands folded back there, babe. Ryan, what are we going to do first, sweetie? That's not a minus. Circle that plus. My love, circle the plus. Is it not coming off, sweetie?
I need to squash it off.
I know, it's got dried on there, my love. It's okay, just write over the top, okay, sweetie? You can just write it over the top. All right, Ryan, what do we do next, babe? No, if you're going to draw extra things, I take it away. You got it, babe. Oh, and Ryan already has his marker parked, Jair. And he's touching number 9. Mr. Porter, now you're watching. Jair, you need to touch number 9. I'm glad you have it done, but you should still do it with us to double check. How many more are we hopping? 7. Hop 7 more with me. Ready, set, Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number are we at, 5K? 16. Please write 16. Good, Caleb. Boys and girls, say, I added 9 to a number. Yeah, we added 9 with 7. Thanks for the thumbs up, babe. Hey, my loves, let's do 2 more. And then do you think you got this? Like it's a piece of? All right, erase in 5. 4. 3. Let's do this. 2. 1. Nice. My loves, I want you to write. Ooh, Prince is already writing it. 2 plus 9. This time we'll put the 9 on the bottom. When you're done, park your marker. Good job, Severe. Oh, you're ready to help me again, aren't you? Good job, buddy. Good. Prince, you haven't helped me yet, have you, sweetie? What are we going to do first? What, honey? I just couldn't hear you. Say it again, babe. Circle that plus. All right. So our brains know we're hopping more. We're getting more. Our letter, Jordan, babe, circle your plus. And then what do we do next, sweetheart? All right. We can start at 2. It doesn't matter where we start. I like to start at the bigger number. Hi, Mitchell, honey. My loves, start at number 2. Everybody's touching 2. Mr. Porter, I see. Good work. How many more are we hopping, Prince? 9 more. Can you hop 9 more with me? All right, here we go. Ready? Good, Caleb. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number are we at? 11. My loves, please write 11. Boys and girls, say, I added 9 to the number 2. Mr. Porter, can you go turn the heat down? I am a roasty toasty. Thank you, dear. I appreciate it. My loves, erase in 5. 1 left. 4. 3. You should know this one. 2. 1. Write this. Raise your hand. I don't even think we need to hop for this one. When you're done, don't say anything. Just show me. Thanks, Kylan. Sweetheart, you need to fix that. It needs to be under each other. Honey, it's fine. You can't keep writing over it. Otherwise, it erases. So don't keep writing on top. Here. Nope. Just leave it. It's fine. Take your marker. Now draw your line underneath. My sweets. For this math fact, we're adding 9 to the number 9. What do you notice about that math fact, Jaden? Well, how did you figure that out? You hopped on your number line. How else do you know that answer? Jordan. It's a doubles fact. Say the doubles with me. Ready, set, go. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. How do I write 18, Jaden? Does the 1 have to go first?
No.
Yes, it does. If the 8 goes first, then it would be 81. Boys and girls, say, we did it. Before you erase, don't erase yet. What did you do? What was our learning target for today? You did it. Yes, you did. But what did you do? Kylan. We added 9 to a number. 5K, say, we added 9 to a number. Erase in 5. Erase. 4. Make sure your cap is on tight. If you need help snapping it, please don't shout for help. Erase in 3. Raise your hand and ask for help. 2, 1. My sweets, Mason's already doing it. Your marker goes in your sock. I told you this would be quick because you guys know how to do this. This is day 3 of this. Put your marker in your sock. You can put your whiteboard and your marker away. What you can take out then is your, thank you, is your pencil boxes. Very quietly. Pencil boxes go. Maybe I need to take out some of those fresh gummy bears because I'm seeing really good work. Please park your pen. Prince, you know what? Hey, Prince, babe, would you go grab my gummy bears for me? Please park your pencil on top. Prince already has that done. Thank you. Stay right here. For you, because you're sitting so quietly. All right, I'm looking for pencils parked on top. Karina and Mitchell, you're going to take out 106. I know it's far away. I try to get you as close as I can. Just try your best to see. Oh, I see a pencil parked on top. Well, thank you for following directions. I see a pencil parked on top. Pencil parked on top. Pencil parked on top. Pencil parked on top. Yep. 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 Have a seat, babe. Just throw it in. Oh, you can put it over here. Yep. Guess you get another one. Yep. All right. My loves, what number do you see? What number do you see at the top of your paper? Please don't blurt. Jordan, just pick it up quick and sit back down, babe. Kylan, what number is that? What, honey? 96. A 9 and a 6 makes 96. My loves, I need you to trace it, and you're only going to write it 3 times. Make sure that your 6 curls up to that middle line, and the circle for your 9 fills that space. Oh, Prince is done and his pencil is parked. I'm going to park mine too. So then what do you do if you finish? Then you just, oh, I'll write that back up later for you, okay, babe? Just do your 96s. I'll write it back up. My loves, I would like all of you to count by 2s. Eat it, or I'm not giving you any more. Count by 2s with me. Say, here is my bunny rabbit. All right, count by 2s with me. Ready, set, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Say, 8 is great. 8 is great. Please write in 8 on the little line. Yesterday, some of you forgot this, so you got it marked wrong. Prince is showing me a thumbs up, so I know he did it. Write your 8. How many tally marks are we making today? Raise your hand. Don't blurt. Tamia. No, not 14. That was how many tally marks we counted at math meeting. What's the date today? May 7th. Yep. My sweets, we're going to make 7 tally marks. Say, I got my pencil ready. All right, 7 of them with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5, 6, 7. Stop. You should have 1 full 5 and 2 extras. Say, I got it, Mrs. Barch. All right, I'm going to read you the story. I need you to park your pencils and put your hands on your head. I'm going to wait till I see all your hands on your head because then I know you're listening carefully to the story. It says, Renisha had 8 pieces of banana on her cereal. She ate 4 of them. What type of story is this? Some more, or some went away? Listen again, and then I want you to raise your hand. Renisha had 8 pieces of banana on her cereal. She ate 4 of them. Is this some more, or some went away? Raise your hand. Bridget. Yeah, where did they go away to? Yeah, they went in her tummy. Did we need to circle that some went away? We need to circle this. Some went away. You got it, Bridget. If you cut up a banana, what shape are those? Raise your hand. Think. If you cut up a banana, what shape are those? London. Circles. So we need to draw how many circles? Do you remember? She ate 4 of them. How many did she start with? She started with 8. Draw 8 circles in the box. Doing great. Double check when you're done. Good girl. Hold on, sweetie. Good job. Good job. 8. Make sure you have 8. Good job. All right. What do I need to do next? I made 8 bananas. What do I need to do next? Raise your hand. Jaden. How many did she eat? 4. So what do I do to show that Bridget? We cross them up. Bridget said they went away to her tummy, so they're not there. So we need to show that they left. We need to cross off 4. Cross off 4 from the back. Nizier, eat it or I'm going to take it. Cross off 4, Caleb. What's my number sentence going to look like? Who have I not heard from today? DeAndre, would you help me out, sweetie? What's my number sentence going to look like? How many bananas did she start with? 8. All right, everybody writes 8. You got it, DeAndre. What sign do I need, sweetie? A minus. Why do we need a minus, babe? Because we? Yeah, we lost some. We crossed off 4, so we do need a minus. How many did we eat? Well, we didn't eat them. Renisha ate them. How many did she lose? 4. What sign do I need next, sweetheart? Equals. How many does she have left, babe? 4. Boys and girls say, good job, DeAndre. Good job, DeAndre. My loves, how many bananas are left on her cereal? 4. All right, we need to write it again on that little line. 4 bananas left. This work is going super fast. You guys are working hard. It is easy. That's because y'all are so smart. I am going to fold my paper up. It says that Sharon had 34 pennies. 34. They have that number written, but it's really little. I want you to write 34 over here, nice and big, so you can see it. Not in the box, but over here. What 2 numbers make 34? If you don't know, look right here. Raise your hand. What 2 numbers make 34, Adelia? My loves, I want you to write your 3 and your 4 over here, outside of the box. Caleb, over here, write 34, babe. I need you to help me. It says we need to put them in tens and ones. Which number's in the tens place? Which number's in the tens place? The 3 or the 4? Tamia. Nope, 3 or the 4. Who's in the tens place?
The 4.
No. The
3.
3. On top of the 3, we need to write a T because that's in the tens place. Good job, Zaya. Which number's in the ones place, DeAndre? The 1. It's okay, sweetheart. We need to write an O on top for ones. Just a second, sweetie. Boys and girls, look at me. Raise your right hand. Say, I promise, to make little pennies. Okay, you promised me. You need to make really little pennies because we need to draw 34 of them in tens and ones. But we can do it. How many tens did you say we had?
3.
So can you just watch me? Just look and watch. Don't do it yet. Watch me, please. You promised to make little pennies. Watch me. 1, 2. You're not doing it yet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm draw a box around them. Do you see how I made them very, very little?
Yeah.
I want you to do that. Draw 10 little pennies. Draw a box around them. Go. Ooh, I see little pennies. 10. Good girl. You did it. You did. Now can you draw a little box around them? How many groups of 10 did you just draw? You only drew 1. Psst, out here you need to write a little 1 right next to that group. You only have 1 10. You just made 10 circles one time. What number do we need to get to? 3 tens. So my loves, we need to do it again. That's why you had to make them little. Look, watch me. Look up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm just going to go like this. Choop. Make 10 more. Draw a little box. Go. Good job, Caleb. Draw 10 more, sweetie. You can keep going over here. 8. Just squish them down there. 9, 10. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, make a line in the middle. There you go. Perfect. So if we had 1 10, now we have 2 10s. You guys got it. So you need to look up here, Jordan, right here. You need to write a little 2 right next to that group you just drew. I'm so sorry, Mitchell and Karina. You cannot see that. Draw a little 2. London, just leave it, please. How many 10s do we need to get to? 3. Are we there yet? No. So we need to make another 10. Psst, you promised me, and I see very good little pennies. You're going to make another 10 up here. I think you know what to do. You don't need to watch them, do you? Make 10 more up here. Little pennies. Go. Can you draw a little box around them like I did? Make 10 more, babe. Over here, make 10. Those aren't yours. Mr. Porter drew those. You did that? Good job. Stop, stop, stop. Hold on, babe. You already have 3 of them. Look, 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Erase those ones down there, sweetie. You already did it. You don't need to be sorry, babe. Honey bunny, you were not listening. You made way too many. You were supposed to have 10 in a box. Yep. Sweetheart, when I tell you to look and watch, babe, you need to look and watch. White. You don't like those ones?
I like them.
Oh, great. Did I give you one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. I just didn't want to skip you. Whew. My loves, you did really great. 1 10, 2 10s. So what number do we need to write over here?
3.
A little 3. So we now write a little 3. We now have our 3 10s. How many little extras do we need to make? Raise your hand. We're putting them in 10s and 1s. How many little extras, Kylan? 4. Over here, where you have space, just make 4 extras. Go. Where you have extras, just make 4. Just squish them over here. Or if you go outside the box, not a big deal. Mr. Porter will know. Oh boy. Thanks, Prince. Do you see these number cards? Oh, it says someone spilled paint on one of my number cards. Say, oh, brother. And do we know what number that was? No, the paint's covering it up, so we need to figure it out. All right, so how do you think we're going to figure it out? What should we do to figure it out? They spilled paint on my number cards. How are we going to figure it out? Jair, what should we do? Well, we can't just write a 6 because 26 is right here. So we can't just make up a number. How are we going to figure out what number is missing? Raise your hand. How are we going to figure it out? Don't tell me what you think it is. I want to know how we're going to figure it out. Mason, what should we do to figure it out? Ryan? We haven't done anything like this before. What are we going to do to figure it out? We need to do what, Jaden? It's like when I mix up my number cards and I say, I need you to come and put them in order. But one of them has paint on them. So what are we going to do? Right. What, honey? Yeah, we need to count. Okay, so which number do you see up here as the smallest? Because we're going to start with the smallest number and we're going to count. Good job, buddy. Who's the smallest, Jaden? Hey, boys and Jair, you can take a ticket now. Boys and girls say, great job, Jaden.
Great job, Jaden.
You figured it out. We're going to count, and we're going to start with the smallest number, 21. Do you see a 21 up there? Yes, so that's not the number with paint on it. So, my loves, I want you to cross off 21. So, 21's good. DeAndre, cross off 21. What comes after 21 when we count? 20, 21, 22. Adelia, do you see 22? Where's 22? At the bottom right here. So that does not have paint on it. Cross that one off. Oh, Jaden, I'm so sorry. There was one number smaller than 21. What number should we have started with? 20. Yep, up here at the top, a 0. My loves, cross that one off. I'm sorry, honey. I didn't see that one either. I was with you. I thought 21 was the smallest. Oh, well. Even teachers make mistakes, right? Yeah. All right, count with me, my sweets. Ready, set, go. 20, 21, 22. What comes next? Raise your hand. 23. Do you see 23 up here, Ryan? Do you see 23? Yep, 23 is 2 and all right, so cross that one off. That is not the one with paint on it. Perfect. 20, 21, 22, 23. What comes next? Raise your hand. Bridget. "21, 22, 23. What comes after 20? We have 21, babe. 20, 21, 22, 23. What would come next? 20. All right, Bridget, do you see 24 up there, sweetie? You're going to keep losing tickets if you keep making noise. Where do you see 24? Top left. All right, that's not the card with paint on it. Cross that one off. That one's good. Count with me, my loves, at 20. Ready, set, go. 20, 21. I can't hear you. 22. There you go. 23, 24. Raise your hand. What would come next? Jaden.
25.
Do you see 25? Down here at the bottom, right by the one with the paint. So cross that one off. That's not the card that has paint on it. 24, 25. What would come next? Jordan. Do you see 26? Look at the numbers. On the top, 26 is up here at the top. So cross that one off. That's not the one with paint. What comes? What, honey? Just look this way. Look at me, okay? What comes after 26? 24, 25, 26. Caleb?
27.
Good. Caleb, do you see 27? In the bottom corner. Good job, babe. Cross off 27. What comes after 27? 25, 26, 27. Prince? Do you see 28?
No.
Where's 28? Prince, you can't see it. You're pointing to the one with the paint. So that's the one that we can't see. That's the one with the paint spilled on it. So over here on the line, we need to write 28. But how do I write that? Prince, how do I write 28? A 2 and a
8.
makes 28. Awesome job. Prince, I love that you pointed to this one with the paint. Oh, good job. All right, I need, look at this. We're almost done, and look up at the clock. Is it even 1 o'clock yet? No. So you said you were going to do a good job. We got to go outside and play early, so y'all are doing great. Say, we can do it, Mrs. Barch. All right, so here's what you need to do. You need to tell me 4 even numbers because we're going to write them in the circles. So if you don't know an even number, look up at our math board. Tell me an even number. London. 10. Can you pick a smaller number, sweetie? You're right, 10 is even, but can you pick a smaller one? 8 is great. Write 8. 10. Bridget, tell me an even number. A small even number. Honey, don't play. You've been doing so great. Oh, I like that one. Tamia. 2. That's another good one. And last even number. Kylan, I haven't heard from you, sweetie. 1, honey? 4. Good girl. This is our learning target that we did today. Now we're going to add 9 to these numbers. Say, we just did that.
You just did that.
Yeah, you just did that on your name tags. My sweets. 8 plus 9. What do I do? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What do I do? Samir. What do I do for 8 plus 9? No, what should I do first? Circle my,
Money.
that's not a minus. Circle my plus. You got it, sweetie. All right, everybody circle your plus. Good job, Samir. Circle your plus. Where am I going to start, Samir? On my name tag, what number am I going to touch? 9. All right, everybody touch number 9 on your name tag like Samir said. Samir, how many more are we hopping? What number's right here? 8. Hop 8 more with me. Ready? Ryan, you're rocking it, babe. Set, go. 1, 2, good to Mia. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, what big number are you at? 17. You need to write a 17. The 1 has to go first. 5K, I'm not even going to ask you. You can just write the answer for that, okay? Do it. Because y'all know. 9 plus 0 stays at? Okay. How about 2 plus 9? What do I do? Jaden, sweetie. Start at 9. I always love starting at the bigger number. All right, everybody touch 9. Jaden, how many more are we hopping, sweets?
2.
Easy. We can hop 2. Hop 2 with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are we at?
11.
You guys got it. Say last one. Oh, good, because my bladder is about to burst. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. What do I do? Raise your hand. Jordan, what should I do? Thank you. What, honey? Put your finger on 9. All right, everybody touch number 9 on your name tag. You got it, Jordan. Jordan, how many more are we hopping? 4. Everybody hop 4. Good job, Jordan. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number, 5K? 13. My loves, I need you to write a 13. Now, very quietly, I need you to put your pencil boxes away. Make sure your pencil's inside. Karina and Mitchell, the computer did not shut off today. Thanks for working hard. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday for pack and pickup. Bye, my loves.
There you go. Good.